So we're just going to run through some basics of the Garmin GPS. First of all, if you want to get a backlight on, just hit the power button on the right briefly and the backlight will go on. Of course that does use extra battery, so use it sparingly. If you want to mark a waypoint or just find out what your current grid reference is to look on a map, the enter button on the left hand side, if you hold that down, it will come up with the mark waypoint menu. If we did mark this waypoint into its memory, it's going to be waypoint number 73 if you wanted to make a note of that. Down here is our grid reference, and to read it off we drop off the last two numbers on both these. The first one, therefore, the first part of the reading is 153 if we round up the 2 to a 3, so 153781. 153781 is our grid reference that we are going to be able to read off the map, and local landowners will be using that as well and be able to locate you if you're having to ring the farmer, etc. on the radio. However, if you're ringing emergency services on a 000 call and they need to locate you with an ambulance or helicopter, they may require latitude and longitude, in which case you need to change the settings. To do that, we're going to hit the page button until we get to the setup or the menu screen. Then we're going to scroll down till we get to setup, and then we're going to enter into setup, down to units, enter. As you can see, the current setting is UTM. That's our default that we use to be able to read the maps. So we're going to press enter to enter the menu, and we're going to go scroll down through all these options till we get to hours, days, minutes, seconds. We're going to enter into that. We've now selected that. We're going to page out of there. Now we go back to a waypoint screen by holding down on the enter button, and now our units have changed. So in this case, if you're reading these units over a radio, you're going to read the whole thing. South 34 degrees 31 minutes 19.0 seconds, east 138 degrees 59 minutes 13.9 seconds. So just reading that all out. So that's how you change it to latitude and longitude if required.